how to change your username in Among Us. First, go to My Account. Then click on Account. As you can see your username card with your friend code, your username, and a bunch of other information about your character. If you want to change your username, click on the Change Name button at the bottom right corner of the screen. You will have the option to either randomize your name. As you can see, my username right now is just username. By clicking this button, you can randomize your name into any of the randomized names, or if you click on this rectangle, you can type in any name that you want. For example, if I want my name to be Amongst Us, all I will need to do is click on the confirm button down below. And now as you can see, my username is Amongst Us, both on this name tag and in-game. Thank you guys for watching this video. It's been your host, Max, speaking. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!